amazing.
Better than Cornwall's for 150th. My videos are pretty long too right now. Canada Day was yesterday. Oh my god, those are so pretty.
I know.
Holy.
This is what I expect for the 150th.
Woo!
And I'm with Brooklyn right now.
Brooklyn.
Oh my god.
We have to like.
These are so pretty.
Our iPads.
I know. But it's not the same on the iPad. You have no idea how close they are right now. You have no idea. These are way better than Cornwall's.
You can smell them burning.
Yeah, you can seriously smell them. And it's the 150 Canada Day, and this is what I expect for Canada. Not those other 3 videos that sucked.
Now this is the Canada Day.
You should see the 4th of July.
Yeah. What?
They're way better than if they come like non-stop.
They almost hit the moon. What the heck is going on here?
Yeah, and I see them, like, and the moon is up there too. It looks like they're coming straight for the moon. This is in Lancaster right now. I know I already told you guys this. See a smiley face. That was a smiley face.
Wait, what? Oh my
See?
god.
Smiley face.
So adorable.
Smiley face. Woo.
Look at all the smoke. Look at all that smoke.
Oh my god. These are so pretty.
Oh my god.
Woo.
What's that smell? It smells so good. It smells like fire.
These are so pretty.
It smells so good. I know. Really? Oh my god. It smells
They can't be all done.
No.
Okay. Oh my god.
Why would they be done, Haley? Like.
Was that a cupcake?
Yeah, I think so.
I think that was a cupcake. I saw the cupcake in the sky.
Well, when are those gonna stop?
What was that?
I don't know. They're not done yet, Haley. Don't worry.
Another cupcake.
Haley, Brooklyn. What?
Now this is what I expect. Now this is what I expect for 150th of Canada.
I want a smiley face. Haley's not done yet.
Woo! Ooh, smiley face! Smiley face. I want a heart. Whoa! Smiley face again.
God, Haley, that.
Whoa! Smiley face.
Hey,
See, aren't the smiley face is so cute? Smiley face. That smiley face was good.
oh my God, Haley.
And that one. Well.
This is Elizabeth. Haley, that's the fireworks.
Oh my God. These are so pretty.
I can't wait for the great finale.
Oh my God. I really don't know.
Haley, I have to like go all the way over here. Look, Haley, I have to be like.
It feels like they're gonna fall on top of you.
It does.
Ah! It's coming straight toward me.
Not sure though.
Is that another smiley face?
Oh, I like those ones.
Whoa. Oh my God. Now these are what I call fireworks. It's seriously lighting up the whole sky right now. Oh And it feels.
Haley, how do you do this?
I don't know, my neck is hurting.
I'm not. I can't.
Can't be done. Oh my god. Did you guys hear that?
Yeah, it's like, wow. And the clouds are covered in smoke.
Oh my god, did you guys see that?
No.
Look at that! They go downwards.
Yeah, it's kind of.
It looks like missiles. Oh my god. That looks so cool.
There's red dots there. That's pretty.
Yeah.
Those are just some little fireworks over there. And here comes a big one.
Oh my god. This is what I call fireworks.
Really, we heard it 5 times already.
I know. Especially for the 150th.
These are probably better than Canada's.
They were way better. If you watch my 3 last YouTube videos, you'll see how they are.
Happy Canada's 100.
No, but we're in Lancaster, so like.
Me and Haley are just talking.
This is the second day.
Yeah, that's what Canada.
Those are some second. Whoa. It looks like they're coming straight toward. Oh my god.
Wait, is the grand finale starting?
I don't know. The grand finale just shoots out so much. I love these. I'm just watching off of my tablet.
The people from the balconies over there are probably like, oh my god, that's the best.
I want another emoji. Send out an emoji. Do not send out any more emojis. Those emojis look so cool. A heart!
Heart. Yeah, that was a heart. That was the most messed up heart, but it was really cool.
Another heart! More hearts!
Where? Oh.
Woo! Heart! Heart, an upside down heart.
That means heart you, Canada.
Yep, we love you, Canada. They are really loud. Smiley face!
My eye hurts. I'm like so close to my camera. It's unreal.
That was a messed up smiley face, people. Okay.
If you look in the sky, you can still see the polka dots from when they're done. See, like, watch, you can see the red lights. I smell it.
All I smell is fire.
I think I've just been, like, somewhere.
And you guys comment down what your favorite firework was.
Mine was the heart, probably. Or, like, the big ones that explode.
Yeah.
Mine was the emoji, so
Look at these. Whoa. So much are coming in.
You don't like them, Hunter?
And my baby brother is still freaking out because like he doesn't like loud noises.
Wait, is this his first Canada Day? No. Okay, the grand finale now.
No.
Well, they're probably starting in a couple of minutes. But these are the best. Some guys getting in the middle of the road. You can just hear them. They like those.
Now these are way better than Canada's. Even though we're still in Canada, Longsu is way better.
Okay, these are better than Cornwall's. Yeah, Cornwall, they have little fireworks.
Bitch, yours isn't even recording. Everyone in the world can probably hear this right now. It looks like lightning. Whoa. Oh my god, everybody's cheering right now. That can't be it. I bet you can hear my little brother. If there's more fireworks, I'll start a part 2. Bye.